Imagine your spine is a phone charger. Now, kink it, bend it, and trap it under a pillow for 8 straight hours. That cable frays. It sparks. Eventually, it just dies. That is your back right now. But I found a single move that reverses that damage faster than anything else in sports science. No pills. No pricey chairs. Just 60 seconds of controlled tension that forces your skeleton back into its natural design. Scientists call it primal realignment. I call it the only reason I can still walk without wincing. Stay with me, because what you are about to see might erase years of bad posture in 1 week. Here is the ugly truth. When you park yourself in that office chair, your gluteal muscles literally fall asleep. Doctors call this gluteal amnesia. Your back, your neck, and your hips start screaming for help because they are doing the work your rear refuses to do. It is a chain reaction. One weak link breaks the whole system. You feel that pinch, the stiffness when you stand up? That is your body sending a final warning signal. To fix this, we must wake up the engine. The hips, specifically the psoas muscle. It connects your upper body to your lower half. When sitting, this muscle shortens. It shrinks. It gets tight. Tightness equals weakness. This exercise uses gravity and isometric tension to stretch it out safely. Try this right now. Stand against a flat wall. Press your lower back flat against the surface. Can you do it? If there is a gap big enough for your hand to slide through, your pelvis is tilted forward. That tilt pulls your lower spine out of alignment. This exercise forces that tilt backward. It resets the foundation of your skeleton. All right, let us get practical. You do not need a gym, just a wall and your body weight. Step 1. Lean against that wall. Feet shoulder width apart, about 6 inches away from the baseboard. Step 2. Slide your back down the wall until your knees form a perfect 90-degree angle. You are in an invisible chair right now. Do not let your knees drift past your toes. Step 3. This is the secret. Press your lower spine flat against the wall. Imagine you are trying to slide a piece of paper out from behind you, but you cannot. Hold that pressure. Step 4. Stay there. Do not shake. Just hold. Why does this work so fast? Because it forces your core to fire. Your abs tighten to keep you upright. Your hamstrings engage to support the lower back. But the real magic is in the knees. Blood flow returns to the joints that got starved during those long Zoom calls. This is not a squat. A squat is aggressive. This is patient. This is oxygen. It pulls nutrients into the discs of your spine. Those discs are like wet sponges. Sitting squeezes the water out. This pose sucks the water back in. Here is the schedule. Do this once every hour. Set a timer. Stand up, walk to the nearest wall, and hold this position for 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. You do it 10 times a day. That is 10 minutes total. 10 minutes to counteract hours of decay. Do not worry about the shake. The shake is your muscle fibers waking up. It is conversation between your nerves and your brain. Let it happen. Do not fight it. If you fight it, you lose the benefit. Just breathe. Breathe deep into your stomach, not your chest. After 7 days, you will notice something. That morning stiffness? Gone. That popping sound in your neck? Silent. You will stand taller because your skeleton remembers its natural alignment. It is like a suit that finally fits properly. Your lungs open up because your chest is no longer caved in. You think better because blood flow to your brain is more efficient. You have the power to reverse time for your joints. It is not magic. It is physics. It is gravity. It is 60 seconds of your day to save the rest of your life. Try it now. Leave a comment below the moment you feel that stretch. Let the community know it works. Subscribe if you want to fix the next thing that breaks. Because your best posture is just 1 minute away. Click the next video to fix your neck next.